Hello guys, in today's video we'll talk about are wheel spacers actually safe?
BONOSS Ford wheel spacers are safe and reliable for your truck. They affect your truck's performance positively and solve many problems to make your installation nice and easy. If you use high-quality wheel spacers that specifically fit your truck, there will be no problems. They push your wheels outward for fitment, which improves your big tire traction and makes driving safer.
Ford Maverick wheel spacers will help with other parts upgrades. Installing wheel spacers on Ford Maverick will help the tires gain more clearance and avoid the friction caused by bumps or aggressive driving.
When choosing wheel spacers, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality spacers must be made of good material. The industry-recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy. Usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061T6 and 7075T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data. In order to ensure the best ride quality, BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-central rings. The hub-central metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels feed the corresponding hub flag, eliminating any possible gaps. Using such BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers, there will be less chance of vibration.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!